All right, we'll give it a couple minutes just for you guys to stretch and warm up a little bit, and then we'll get started. What do you remember, Jason? What do you remember from last, what, 2 weeks ago, I think? Come. Come. Natalie, what do you remember?
What?
What do you remember?
This one. That
What's
one.
the name of it?
Shit. I don't remember.
Uh-huh. So you don't remember. That's a part of this.
I don't remember the name.
Okay. It's Wanyo.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Who is that?
There's only 3. I'll socially distance you. So you got a couple minutes just to warm up and stretch a little bit. You don't need to do a whole heck of a lot. You know, when we do the kicking and so forth, you don't need to kick too high. We're just working on movements and. You're fine.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, son. Are you practicing too?
Yes.
Okay. So, Mrs. Sargent, do you remember 4-direction punch and chunji? Mm-hmm. The one that goes side to side. Yep. Mm-hmm. Did you learn Tangun? Okay. Got it. Got it. Yeah. It's okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. No worries. Yep. We can take care of that right after we're done here. So.
And you? Mr. Francisco is doing it? There's something.
All right, let's go ahead and let's do a quick review. So let's start with 4-direction punch. You can stay right there, ma'am. You're fine. All right, so 4-direction punch. So remember, on all of these, everything, there is no walking stance in ITF Pumse. Everything is front stance or back stance, so it's going to be deep stances, basically. All right? So from here, Chumbi. So you guys, Natalie and Isaiah, you guys have to do it opposite of us, okay? All right, so from here, 4-direction punch, right? By my count. Remember, right hand punching first. Hana. Your right leg will come forward, man. There you go. And then, do. Set. Net to the back. Good. The side. Front. The side to the side. Here we go. Yadai. And kia. Aya.
Yeah.
Yo. And then left leg. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, yeah. And come on, you should be right back where you started. All right, so next one is Chunji. So Chunji, we're gonna turn left, front stance down block. 하나, 둘, punch. Other side, set, 넷, and punch. 다섯, halfway to the left, and punch. 다섯, all the way to the other side. set. Here go, punch. 여덟, back stance, inside out block to your left. 열, punch. Other side, 하나, 둘, step on punch. 셋, inside out block to the back. 넷, step on punch. 다섯, all the way around to the front, inside out block. 여섯, step on punch. 일곱, step on punch. Step back and punch. 여덟, step back, punch and key up. 아야! Step forward to 준비. Come on. All right. Go ahead and practice that one a couple times. Make sure you got the turns on your own. 시작. So back stance on those inside out blocks, Jason. Okay.
Yep.
So you're gonna come across. So no, you should have been. This is the last punch here. So your left hand punch is here. Now we go to the left, inside out block. So it'll be your left hand here. So from here, same hand, one, and punch. Other side. There you go. And then to the back. And all around to the front. Yes. And punch, step back punch, step back punch. All right, so the trick here is you want to remember, if I turn left, it's halfway, 90 degrees. So if I'm punching with my left hand, I'm going to turn halfway. If I'm punching with the right hand, I'm going to turn 180 degrees. Okay? So if the right hand is punching 180 degrees, left hand is punching 90 degrees. All right. And that's with all the movements. So right after the punch, you're going to turn left hand halfway, right hand 180. You always want to turn to the elbow side. Turn to the elbow side. So 180. There you go. Yes. Uh-huh. And 90 to the left. Mm-hmm. Yep. All right. Okay, so let's move on. Let's do Tangun now. Tangun. So this is the yellow belt one. Tangun. All right, from here, we're going to turn left. Back stance, double knife hand guarding block. 하나. We're going to step forward, front stance, high punch. 둘. We're going to do the same thing other side. Set. Double knife hand guarding block. 넷. High punch. Turn to the front, down block. 다섯. Step forward and punch 3 times. 여섯. High punches. 1, 2, and key up. Yeah. Now you're going to make that turn. So left foot comes around. Twin forearm block. It's a rising block and a forearm block at the same time. So right hand is high, left hand is out. And then you're going to step forward, right hand punch, high section. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. So you'll turn, 하나, Yep. So now step forward, left hand punch. Good. Turn to the back. Front stance, down block. Set. Same position, rising block. Same hand. Net. We're going to do 3 more rising blocks. So step forward, that's hut, rising block. It's hut, rising block. And 1 more. Here go. Rising block. Then we're going to turn, knife hand strike. You do. Back stance. Step forward, high punch. A hope. Turn to the other side. Yo. Knife hand strike. Hana. And key up. Yeah. All right. Poro. Back to Chumbi. 21 movements on that one. All high punches. Everything is high punches. Okay? All right. Ready? Let's try it. Shijuk. Double knife hand. High punch. Other side. Double knife hand. High punch. Turn to the front. Down block. 3 punches forward. 1, 2. Key up. Turn. Twin forearm block. Step. High punch. Other side, twin forearm block. And then step, high punch. Turn to the back, low block, down block, and high block, same hand. And then 3 more high blocks. Step, step, high block, step, high block. Turn, knife hand strike. Step and punch. Other side, knife hand strike. And step and punch. That's it. All right, Mr. Fred, Mrs. Sargent, I'm going to let you work on that one for just a little bit. All right, Natalie, Isaiah, and Dason. Let's move on. Dosan. Okay. So Dosan, right, we're going to turn left. Front stance, forearm block punch. Hana. Remember, this is the 2-step turn, right? Stay in place. 1, 2. Okay. And we turn to the front. Double knife hand guarding block. Hana. And then step forward, spear hand. Dul. Okay. Then we're going to turn, spin, back fist. Set. Front stance. And another back fist and key up. Yep. Now you're going to spin and turn just like the beating. Forearm block punch. All right. And then 2-step turn. Other side. Forearm block punch. And then you're going to go to the left corner. Spread block. Front kick, punch, punch. You can go to the other corner. Spread block. Front kick, punch, punch. And then straight to the back. Rising blocks. 1 and 2. Then we spin. Knife hand strike. Horse riding stance. Other side, knife hand striking key up. Okay? Come on. All right, work on that one. Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. Just like the beginning. There you go. Mm-hmm. And then rising block. So after the kick, yep. 2 rising blocks. 1, 2. Then spin, knife hand strike, horse riding stance. There you go. Good, good. Mm-hmm. And like keep on there, Chung. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now it's that forearm, the double forearm as you spin. Yep. And then the rising hand block. Yep, that handle punch. And do the same thing other side. Yes. 2, 3, 4. Yep. And then spin, knife hand, and punch. Other side, knife hand, and punch. Yep. Mm-hmm. All right. Just take your time with it, man. No worries. All right. You can go ahead and work on that on your own for just a little bit. A strike. Back stance. Back stance. Back stance. To high front stance. Back stance. Front stance. So it's a knife hand strike like we're doing reverse high kick. It's the same motion. Okay. So this is like when you go into your fighting stance, your guarding block. It's just, that's all it is. So 1, 1, 1, and then and the same thing other side. 1, yep, and punch, and then to the. There you go, ma'am. Now you're gonna spin and do the forearms. So, yes, and then you'll be this way. There we go. And then the top handle punch. Yep, and we'll do the same thing to the other side. So you'll reverse your hands. Yep, just want to bend and just turn the body. There you go, ma'am. 1, and punch, good. Mm-hmm. Yes. You got it, Mr. Jason? You good? Okay. And then you'll, yes, spin, but it'll be your left hand. So, because right now you're blocking with your right hand. So you'll switch your feet, ma'am. So from here, you'll spin, and then you'll do your left hand. Yep. And then right hand punch, and then right hand and left hand punch. See, there you go. You got it, ma'am. All right, let's do Wanyo. Let's do Wanyo real quick. You can keep working on that one there. All right. So Wanyo's the green belt one, right? So feet together, close stance A. Like in Take a Chirchang, right? Okay. So first movement, turn left. Twin forearm lock. Hana. You got to turn the other way, Isaiah. Hamin, turn the other way. Other side. Okay, good. And then grab, strike. Do. Shift and punch. Set. We're going to do the same thing other side. So step in, step out. Net. Grab and strike. That's it. Shift and punch. That's it. Right leg in, left leg up. That's it. One-legged stance. Side kick and punch. Here we go. Land double knife hand guarding block. Okay, and then step forward, double knife hand guarding block. Step forward, double knife hand guarding block. I hope. And then step forward, spear hand and key up. Yeah. Just like we did at the beginning. Hana. Twin forearm. Grab, strike. Do. Shift and punch. Set. Step in, step to the other side. Same thing. Hana. Grab, strike. Shift, punch. Set. Right leg in, left leg to the back. Right hand, circular block. Inside out block. Front kick punch. Same hand now. Left hand, circular block. Front kick punch. Right leg up. One-legged stance. Side kick punch. Put it down. Turn to the left. Fighting stance. Step in, step out. Other side. Fighting stance and key up. Oh, yeah. Right foot comes back to Chumbi. A stance. And that's the whole thing. Okay. All right. Work on that just a little bit. All right, sir. So here. So we're going to go 1, 2, shift 3. And other side. 1, shift 2, punch 3. Right leg in, left leg up. And then side kick and punch. 1, and then 3 double knife hands. 1, 2, 3. and then spear hand and key up. Yeah. And then when we spin, we're going to do the same thing as we did at the beginning. So 1, grab, strike. Yep, shift and punch. Other side, same thing. So 1, grab, strike, shift and punch. Okay, good. I'll let you practice up to there. Okay, good. Front kick punch. Same thing, circular. Front kick punch. And then one-legged stance. Side kick punch. Put it down, turn, fighting stance to the left. Fighting stance to the right. Okay? So when you transition from this fighting stance, step in, step out to the other side. Okay? Okay, so double knife hand, step, punch, other side, double knife hand, step, punch. Yep. And low block, 3 punches forward. Good. And then we're going to bring that left foot around, going to the side. We're going to do that. Yes. It'll be your right hand high this time. So you want to just keep your body sideways, that motion there. And then you're going to. So you're going to start from your hip. So as you come from your hip, and then you'll lift. There you go, ma'am. And then you'll step forward and punch. And then you'll bring your hands to your left hip as you turn, and then go to the other side. There you go. Oh, you're a pro now. Now you'll turn toward me, low block, high block. There you go. And then 3 more high blocks as you step forward. 2. Yes, ma'am. Yes. And then now you'll turn. Nope. You did 4 total because the first one is in place. Right? And then you'll spin, knife hand strike. That is correct. Yes, ma'am. You've got it. All 21 movements right there. No, Natalie, you forgot. Are you doing your circular block? Front kick punch, circular block, front kick punch. Yep. Okay. Okay, so from there now, so now we're gonna go right leg in, left leg forward, right hand circular block. Front kick punch, left hand circular block, and front kick punch. Then we come up to one-legged stance, side kick and punch, put it down, spin, fighting stance to the left, and then other side fighting stance and key up. Right foot comes back to chumbi, and you're all set. Okay, so let's go back here. So basically 1, 2, kick punch, same hand, 1, kick punch, well, then you lift up, kick, and then put it down, turn, fighting stance, 1, and other side fighting stance. Okay, yep, You got it, Mr. Isaiah? Front kick punch, there you go. Same thing, 1. There you go, ma'am, good. Good, Mr. Sergeant, yep, perfect. And then, yes. Yes. It'll actually be your left hand. So there you go, ma'am. Yep. There you go. You've got all the movements down, so the turns are good. That's what the repetition's for, to build that RAM up. One, two. Yep. Shift punch. Make sure you're punching from your hip, right? One. This is just like when you're doing chirchang. See, right now you're punching from here. You should be punching from here. So once I'm here, right? Shift, punch. Up. No, it's not. All right. You got to pull your hand back to your waist, yeah, because that you're punching, right? Oh. You don't punch like this. All right. So watch. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So as you pull in, yeah, see? There you go. But yeah, you're going in. It's just like in chirchang, right? Where we have this into this. It's the same thing. The punch is the same way. Okay, Natalie, Isaiah, get ready. We're going to do Yul Gok next. Mr. Ferrer, you can keep working on. Are you good through the end? Okay. So step in, step forward, and kick punch. Same hand. And then again, kick punch. And then we come up, kick, put it down, spin, fighting stance, and other side fighting stance. Okay, good. All right, so let's move on to Yul Gok. Senior green belt, Pumse. Okay, so 준비, regular 준비. So we're gonna step out with left leg, slow horse riding stance. 1, punch. Okay, left hand punching, and then double punch. Okay, step in, step out, other side. Slow punch, and then double punch. Now we're gonna go to the right, circular block, to the corner. Okay, left leg front kick, punch, punch. And we're gonna go other side, other corner. 1, left hand, circular block, front kick, punch, punch. Okay, so again, 준비. Let's do that much again. So left foot out first. Hana, slow punch, double punch. Step in, step out, other side. Slow punch, double punch. Okay, and then we go to the corner. 1, inside out block, kick, punch, punch. And then other side. 1, kick, punch, punch. Okay, let you practice up to there real quick. No, sir. So your right leg came in, and then your left foot goes forward, and then your right hand is going to do the inside out block. And then front kick punch. Left hand does the inside out block. Front kick punch. There you go, sir. Good. And then lift it up. Kick. Yes. Split, turn, fighting stance, and yes. Mm-hmm.
I have a question.
Yeah.
For Wanyong, is it 준비? Is it different or is it the
준비 A stance. Wanyong 준비 A stance. It's like chirchang.
Like chirchang.
Yeah, high part of chirchang.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. You good up to there? Okay. Let them get caught up here. Okay, so now, right, stay right there. Okay, right foot's gonna come forward, right hand, make a C. It's called a C block or an arcane block. Come down your arm, come out to the front, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay, and then we punch. Okay, then we're gonna step. Another arcane block with the left hand, and then with the right hand, and then we're gonna punch. Okay, now we're gonna step and punch. Then we bring left foot up, one-legged stance, like we did in Wonyo. Side kick punch, and elbow smash, and key up. Oh, yeah. Okay, then just pick up, look to the back. Side kick punch, and then left elbow smash. Okay? All right, let's try that much again. So you just got done with the kick, double punch to the corner. All right. Right foot forward, right hands. C block 1, C block 2, punch 3. Okay, and again, arcane block 1, arcane block 2, and 3. Step and punch, 1, lift up, kick, elbow smash, key up, and then lift, kick, elbow smash, but no key up on the back one. Okay? All right, practice up to there. You're gonna turn chamber from. Mm-hmm. So yeah, so let's go from here. So as I turn, I'm gonna bring my hands down to my right hip, and I'm gonna step to my left. Yep. And so this hand will be high. There we go. And then you'll, yep. Yes. And you'll step and punch. Mm-hmm. So from here, you can bring it down. We usually like to bring it down. Yep. And then you'll now bring both hands, yes, mm-hmm, to the side. Yes. Correct. There you go, ma'am. And then just lift to the back. Lift your right leg. Lift your right leg. Kick. You got to do the same thing on each side, right? So we did this. Boom. 1, 2. Other side. 2. Yep. There you go. Mm-hmm. So this is, compare this one to take a sajang. All right? Huh? Of course, right? Yeah. But you notice this is symmetrical. So everything you do to the left, you do same thing to the right. Huh? It'll be your right hand first, sir. So yeah, when you're here and your left foot comes forward, right hand, 1. Right leg left, and then left hand. Left leg right. Mm-hmm. Yeah, no problem. Oh, no, so you just got done here punching, right? So 1, 2. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. There you go. You guys okay out at the house over there? You got it? Come. Same thing. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Step punch. Now lift up. There you go. Okay, stay right there, Jason. All right, let's go to the back. So you guys just did your right leg side kick punch, elbow smash to the back, facing, kicking toward the couch. All right. So now you're gonna go left. Okay, we're gonna do twin knife hand block. So just like twin forearm, but with knife hands. Right hand high, left hand out. All right. And then spear hand. Okay, and we're gonna go other side, same thing. Set. And spear hand. Net. Good. Okay. And then we're going to turn left to the back. We're going to do forearm block punch, left hand, right hand. So turn to the left, forearm block punch. Okay. And then you're going to step forward and you're going to do it again. Step forward, forearm block punch, right hand, left hand. Okay. All right. Then you're going to jump. Back fist strike, side back fist strike, like take a ojang. Okay. So yeah, so you're gonna jump. 1. Yeah. Okay. And then you're gonna pivot to the right, reinforcement block. So this is an inside out block, and then your left hand is on the elbow. Okay. So it looks like this. Okay. Front stance, 1. And then other side. Key up. Left foot returns to Junbi. Come on. Okay? All right, so once again, facing the back, do the right leg side kick, elbow. Now we turn left, twin knife hand block. Hana. Back stance. Oh, not knife hand block and strike. All right, and then spear hand. Dui. Okay, other side, same thing. Set. Twin knife hand and net, spear hand. Okay, turn towards your couch. Forearm block punch. Step forward, forearm block punch. Then jump, left foot down, right foot back behind. Back stand, back fist. Pivot, reinforcement block. And then step in, step out to the other side, reinforcement block, and key up. Okay, that's it. All right, 38 movements on that one. Named after the noted scholar Yi Wang. It was named after it's a pen name of the
pen name.
It's a pen name of the scholar Yi Wang. An authority on neo-confucianism. No, that's Toige. That's Toige.
So after the side kick, elbow, do you bring your foot in?
No, turn left. Left foot to the side.
So just that?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Knife hand. Yep.
Thank you.
So feet together. All right. So it'll be here. And then 1, 2, 3. And the other side. No. Step in, step out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so from here, right leg in. Remember, left leg goes up. Oh, one leg extends. So yeah, so here we go up here, and then we're gonna do side kick, and then 3 double knife hands. So you missed the side kick. That's what. Yay! Now the only thing here, just to make sure, keep that wrist straight, because when you do this, and what happens that this hits first, and then that's what causes that. So we want to just to protect. We just want to protect. So just think. Your right one's great. Your right one's fine. So, yep. And it usually happens with most people because non-dominant hand. So, yep. So you can use a ruler or something and maybe like a headband and just make sure it's flat. Oh, that'll work too. I didn't think about that. You good, Mr. Jason? You confused? Turn to your left foot. Left foot. Nope, left foot steps to the side, twin knife hand, and then step spear hand. Punch, and then block punch.
Dad?
Hang on a second, sir. Okay, and then jump back fist. Boom, yep. And then pivot out, reinforcement, and other side, yep. Okay. This is the longest pumse, 38 movements.
Oh my God.
By time use 45 seconds. Yes. Yes, sir.
What is the name of this pumse?
Yul Gok. Yul Gok.
Yul Gok.
Yul Gok.
Yo.
IULGOK. Gok. Oh, this is the Confucius of Korea. So this is the pseudonym of the scholar Yi Yi, an author, nicknamed the Confucius of Korea. The 38 movements referred to as birthplace on the 38th latitude. And the diagram of the pumse represents scholar. So the shape of the pumse, right, whatever shape it makes with all the turns going to angle and stuff, designates scholar. The longest color belt pumse, 38 movements. If I time you, it's 45 seconds long. Okay. So if you've got it down, great. Go back and try to do some of the other ones, the other previous ones, and kind of mix them up. Get yourself mixed up on purpose. Good, sir. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. Good. So if you compare this to Taeguk Samjang, really different, right? So Samjang is a lot more basic than this one. So we'll Dosan's the only one that you're missing right now for up to green belt. So that's the Dosan's the senior yellow belt. We'll work on that the next time. Give you a chance to kind of let this one kind of marinate a little bit. You go with Yul Gok? You go with the new one, Yul Gok? Okay. Yeah, at this point now, it's just gonna be like one pumse we'll go through probably per class going forward to get you guys up. So there are 24 of these, just so you guys know. One to represent each hour of the day. Four direction punch is not included in the 24. 24 named pumses, named forms. These are not called pumses from an ITF standpoint. They're called tul, T-U-L, tulls. Chunji tul, Dosan tul. Okay, we got a couple minutes, so you got a chance to go through it at least once or twice more before we finish up. Oh, it'll be from there, ma'am. So after this rising block here, your left hand will strike. And the yeah, so. What you always want to remember is that whichever leg is in front, that's the hand that we will use. All right. Yeah, you just got to mix up with Taeguk Irchang where you work everything opposite, and Taeguk Ichang where you do your outside in blocks with the opposite foot, opposite hand. Yes. Yay. So remember, it's this, right? Into this, yeah. So it's rising, upper knife hand block, and a knife hand block in front. Yeah. All right, Jason, you're free to go. Dad's here. All right. All right. That's good. I'll see you guys at the house, okay? Bye.